Hi there! For today's Read Aloud, we will be reading Let's Have Fun with Alphabet Riddles. So I chose this book because we are focusing on alphabetical order, or also known as ABC order. So go ahead and use the cover and the title, Let's Have Fun with Alphabet Riddles, to make the best possible prediction. Alright, if you need more time, just pause the video, but let's get started on a read aloud. Let's have fun with alphabet riddles. There are alphabet riddles all through this book. Do you think you can solve them? Come take a look. Right here it's A, B, C, X, Y, Z. And if you look closely, the letters are made out of different things. I believe this one looks like it's made out of pennies. I'm not sure. But this one is made out of buttons, little toy cars. This one is made out of, I can't tell what this one's made out of. This one's a zipper. So let's keep reading to see if we can't figure out what these letters are made out of. It's red and it's sweet. It grows on a tree. It starts with an A. Crunch, munch, what can it be? What do you think it is? It's the letter A, and it's made out of apples, right? Crunch, munch. Does apples start with an A? So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be giving you this little clue, and we're going to have to figure out what the letter is made out of. All right. It is sewn to a sweater, a coat, or a dress. It starts with a B. What's it called? Can you guess? Buttons! If you guess buttons, you're right. It can drive on a road. Vroom! It races on by. It starts with a C. Can you name it? Just try. Give you a moment to think about it. What is it? Cars. Okay. It can make a big mess. Flowers need it to grow. It starts with a D. What's it called? Do you know? Did you say dirt? If you did, good job. It has a hard shell. It is easy to fry. It starts with an E. Can you name it? Just try. Give you a moment to think. Did you say eggs? Good job. They cover a bird's wings. They're soft and so light. They start with an F. Name them now. Did you say feather? If you did, were you right? Yes, it is a feather. They are squishy and sweet. A vine's where they grow. They begin with a G. What are they? Do you know? Give you a moment to think about it. Did you say grape? Good job. Okay, now we're looking at this, and here's the clue. It's a tool you can build. Its handle is wood. It starts with an H. Can you guess? Did you say hammer? That is good. You got it right. Good job. It crawls or it flies. 6 legs help it go. It begins with an I. What's it called? Do you know? Starts with an I. 6 legs helps it go. It can crawl or it can fly. What do you think it is? Did you say insect? Good job. Does insect start with an I? It does. Good job. Okay. It's long and it's skinny. Children use it to play. It starts with a J. What's it called? Can you say? So I can give you a moment, a little bit longer to think about this one. It's long and it's skinny. Children use it to play. It starts with a J. What's it called? Can you say? So little handles right here. Starts with a J. Children use it to play. Did you say jump rope? Good job. See the little handles? And does jump rope start with a J? J, J. It can lock up a door, then unlock it, you see. It starts with a K. Oh, what can it be? Did you say key? Good job. In the spring it is green. In the fall it turns red. It starts with an L. What's it called? Use your head. Did you say leaf? Leaf or leaves? Good job. Does leaves start with an L? Ooh, yes. It's smooth and it's round. You can roll it about. It starts with an M. What's it called? Let's find out. Did you say marble? Good job. It is flat on the top and pointy below. It starts with an N. What's it called? Do you know? Did you say nail? Nail. Good job. How are you doing so far? Are you getting most of these little riddles correct? Good. Let's keep going. They are salty and green. They come in a jar. They begin with an O. Can you guess what they are? So they're salty and green. Here's a little picture of them. Come in a jar and they start with an O. This one might be a little tricky if you've never seen these before. It's an olive. Did you guess an olive? Good. And if you didn't, that's okay. It's light and it's fluffy. It's good for a snack. It starts with a P. Guess. You're on the right track. What starts with the letter P and it's light and fluffy and good for a snack? Popcorn. Good. I love popcorn. It's cozy and comfy. It covers a bed. It starts with a Q. What's it called? Use your head. So it's cozy and comfy, and it starts with a Q. I'm going to give you a little bit of extra time on this one. Here's a picture, an example. It's a quilt. All right, it's heavy and hard. It's black, brown, or gray. It starts with an R. What's its name? Can you say? It's a rock. Rocks, right? Does rock start with an R? It will keep your neck warm when the wind starts to blow. It starts with an S. What's it called? Do you know? Here's an example. It's a scarf. All right. It travels on tracks. It goes choo-choo all day. It begins with a T. What's it called? Can you say? Did you guess train? Good job. Does train start with a T? When you walk in the rain, it will keep your head dry. It begins with an U. Can you name it? Just try. So, when you walk in the rain, it will keep your head dry. It begins with a U. Can you name it? Just try. So, what keeps your head dry and it starts with a U? An umbrella. Umbrella. Good job. It's a small purple flower that grows in the spring. It begins with a V. Can you name this thing? Give you a moment to think about it. Did you guess violet? Good job. Is violet purple? Is it, start with a V? V. Yes. Let's keep going. Here is something that's cut from the trunk of a tree. It begins with a W. Oh, what can it be? What do you think it is? Think about it. Did you guess wood? Good job. Does wood start with a W? Wood. All right. It makes pretty music. It's so fun to play. It begins with an X. What's it called? Can you say? I'm going to give you some time to think about it. Did you guess xylophone? Good job. Oh, we're on our last 2 letters. Okay, this is one where I didn't even know what it was, so hopefully I can get it. It is thicker than thread. People use it to knit. It begins with a Y. Try to guess. What is it? So I'm going to read it again. I think I figured it out. It is thicker than thread. People use it to knit. It begins with a Y. Try to guess. What is it? All right. Do you have a thumbs up for a guess? Did you guess yarn? Yes, is yarn start with a Y? And is it thicker than thread? Do people use it to knit? So yarn it is. Okay, here's the last one. It can close up your backpack as quick as a wink. It begins with a Z. What's it called? Do you think? All right, what's your guess? Did you guess zipper? Good. Does zipper start with a Z? Z. And can it close your backpack pretty quickly? Yep. All right. Oh, let's go through all these really quickly. A for apple. Go ahead and say this with me. B, button. C, car. D, dirt. E, egg. F, feathers. G, grapes. H, hammer. I, insect. J, jump rope. K, key. L, leaf. M, marble. N, nail. O, olives. P, popcorn. Q, quilt. R, rock. S, scarf. T, train. U, umbrella. V, violet. W, wood. X, xylophone. Y, yarn. And Z, zipper. I hope you enjoyed today's little read aloud.